Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I teach you a very simple topic, quotient rule in differentiation. Now, this is a very simple topic. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, let's solve questions. You realize how simple it is. So, let's assume that you are asked to differentiate y is equal to what? X squared plus what? 3 all over what? X minus 1. Now, you are supposed to apply quotient rule, or you have to apply quotient rule to what? Solve what? This question. How do you do that? To differentiate it, you use this formula, dy dx is equals to, now, we are going to label this. We are going to label this as u, and we are going to label the denominator as v. So the numerator as u, and the denominator as what? V. So put v, pick this, du, you differentiate the numerator du dx minus, you pick the u, all right? You differentiate this, dv dx all over what? V squared. So this is just the simple way to do that. So let's just apply this simple formula to solve this. You realize that it's very simple. So v, what is v? dy dx is equal to, v here is what? X minus 1. Now, du dx, that means you have to differentiate this. How do you differentiate this? If you differentiate this constant, you have 0, so that's not a big deal. How do you differentiate? You use this 2 here. Use this 2 to multiply the invisible one here. Here there is an invisible one, so 2 times that one is what? 2. Now, you now subtract 1 from this, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So first, use this 2 to multiply this. You have this 2. Bring down this x. Then you now have 2 minus what? 1. And your answer, that will give you what? 2x was raised to power 1. Now, 2x raised to power 1 is the same thing as what? 2x. So you have succeeded in solving this aspect. Now, what is the next? Put your what? Minus sign. Then take what? U. What is u? This. X square plus what? 3. Okay? Now, you now differentiate dv dx. You are going to differentiate what? V. That is this. So if you differentiate this constant, definitely you have 0. What about if you differentiate x? So x is the same thing as x raised to power 1. Use the 1 to multiply, so you have 1 here. Okay? So you now have 1x raised to power what? 1. Now, remember, I'll have to subtract 1 from this, right? Just the way I subtract what? 1 from this 2. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So we now have what here? 0. X raised to power 0 is actually what? 1. So we now have 1 times what? 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So automatically, if you differentiate this x, you have what? 1. 1 times 17 is still what? The same thing. So you can just leave it like this all over. Now, v squared. What is v? X minus what? 1 what? Square. So you just expand this, and that's the answer. So it's a very simple concept. dy dx is equal to, use this to multiply this. You now have, if you use this 2x to multiply this, you now have 2x squared. If you use 2x to multiply this, you now have minus what? 2x. This minus is multiplying everything here, so you now have minus x squared minus what? 3. All over what? Now you can decide, in some cases, you just leave the denominator like that, or you can just decide to expand it. So let me leave it like this. So square. So let's now collect like terms. This x squared and 2x squared, they are alike. So we now have dy dx is equal to what? 2x squared minus what? X squared minus 2x minus what? 3. All over what? X minus 1 what? Square. Dy what? Dx is equal to, now, this is like 2x squared minus 1x squared. So you now have what? X squared minus 2x minus what? 3. All over what? X minus what? 1 what? Square. So this is the answer. It's a very simple concept now. A simple assignment is being displayed on the screen. Solve it and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.